Hello makers, I'm Catherine Harris with Sheer Stitchery, and I do sewing and DIY tutorials every week, so smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss a thing. This week I wanted to share with you the block 10, which is the Marigold block from the Summer 2021 Sampler Vintage Restyle. So this sampler quilt is almost done and I am very excited to get to this block. Now this block was designed by Lori Holt from Bee in My Bonnet, and she took a traditional flower vase quilt block and turned it into this more modern style. So the traditional block has an asymmetrical vase portion on the one side with the stem coming up with the flowers coming out along the corners and the top of the block. And what she decided to do was have the flowers radiating out of each of the corners. Now, in the original block in the sampler, there are no stems, but she does give instructions on how you can keep the stems, and I decided to add those stems into my block. Now, this block was a little bit time-consuming to make compared to some of the other blocks that are out there, and a little bit more simple, but it does play into a lot of the techniques that we have learned so far, such as the half square triangles, as well as flying geese tutorials. Now, if you would like some help, I will link some videos down below on doing the half square triangles and getting them absolutely perfect and working with those flying geese. Now, this block was fairly simple to put together, and one thought that I had if I were to make it again was to change where we have a double white here and just add another color, perhaps a pink or a coral color in my case, to create more of that tulip bloom look to it. Now, as always, I like to see what this quilt block would look like as an entire quilt, so I wanted to share that with you really quickly here. And now let's get to actually creating this block. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick process on how I put together this block. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments down below. And as always, let's get our sewspiration on.